This is the base. And this plate needs to be sitting like this, so that this part of the trunnion there is floating on it. Now a lot of times you'll go working on one of these and this plate will end up being like that. If it does that, then it'll shake, rattle, and roll when it goes in the spin. You'll have to wiggle it around to where this portion here sits on these pads. And that's basically it. See, the transmission and motor mounts up in this. The tub sits down on here. This thing gets around like that, and you ain't got no support. See, it ain't got no support like